Look how pretty. I'm obsessed with the camp store. I was telling them I'm obsessed with the camp store. I think I've read to y'all the smart rock thing before. Everybody's getting an early start on fishing, right?
Yep.
What are we about to do? Get an early start on fishing.
I was gonna say, dang it,
He thought it was.
I thought that thing would crunk up by itself. I was like, what the? Somebody better get on that thing.
Hold on, let me get that. Wait a minute. No, pick it back up. Pick it back up. Not sponsored, but should be. Absolutely. Right? Little choppy out today, too? But how many hooks do we got out today? About 50 hooks. We'll see what we got. Maybe we'll have some. Work hard for. Gives you something to work hard for. There's another campground up here. I don't know if we'll get, I don't know if he's going that way or not. But anyway, there's another campground up here that you can see from the water. I think they did, does this campground do they did the seasonal or whatever camping up here at this first one? I'm not sure if they do or not, but. But either way, there's a bunch of campgrounds and stuff around here. For those of you who are not around here and don't know, I've got a bunch of campgrounds around here that do, like, you know, the seasonal, yearly camping and stuff like that. He wants to have hooks. Wet hooks. Baited up. He said that the more the better. Jeez. I'm over here like, can we just total by the bank and look at the houses? Okay, this time I took my finger off. He had to come get this one. Ooh, it wrapped around my finger. The string. Okay. Got some fishies.